Welcome to Crazy Indian Hacker. Today we are going to be unbox the great bike and world cheapest bike with high quality road bike. Friends, this cycle having more demand and in Amazon also most of the time no stock due to low cost bike in India. And also this is not promotional video. I bought this cycle from direct dealer because it's not available in Amazon. And if you want to buy this bike, you can contact direct dealer and also as per dealer agreement with Crazy Indian Hacker and you are my subscriber, you will get 15 to 20% less than Amazon and India Mart because you are my subscriber and you are the same dealer agreed because I'm giving promotion to him. It is a profitless promotion. Mostly in India, all quality road cycles will start minimum from 35k, but this cycle will start from 21k, 21,000 with good quality bike for beginners. And also to contact the dealer, you can get phone number and mail ID from the description box below of the video. And also I am adding this video after 2 months use to understand quality and performance of the bike. So and also friends from the dealer 2 months back I got for 21k 21,000 but that moment in Amazon 24,000 is there and this cycle will get insurance travel insurance. So if anything damage in the travel so they will take care. So no need to worry about the things. So that is one of the advantage to us. So no need to get fear. So because why I'm telling dealer information means every time most of the people they're asking link and phone number and other things in comments, but every time not I'm not doing. Every time I'm not doing because my channel is not promotional video or promotional channel. But this time my subscribers need something help. So most of the people get some profit from this one. That is the reason I'm adding some dealer and all those information. So why we are getting some less price than Amazon means because the dealer need to pay some amount to Amazon. So that one they will get profit actually and you will get profit. So that is the reason you will get best price than online price. This is the secret. Okay friends, let's start the cycle unboxing and this one already started unboxing. So we will see step by step how we need to be do online purchase cycle, how to unbox it and how to assemble it and very easy. So we can do it in 10 minutes. So you can see here in the video. So very easily you can do it step by step. I'm explaining clearly. So very close look I'm showing video so you can understand clearly where exactly and how to do it and the manual also available so you can follow the manual but you can see it most of the cycles most of the road cycles are MTB cycles gravel cycles same procedure you need to be follow it. So it will be useful for all the cycles to unboxing and assembling. Okay friends, let's stop talking. Let's music start. Enjoy it.